Greetings, dear friends. I hope everything is good with you as usual. Today, I'm going to teach you how to calm down and prepare your mind for fulfillment. You should have a sound mind before you can attain fulfillment, success, or any other desired objective. Your life is surely impacted by your thoughts. If they are filled with doubts, jealousy, tension, guilt, breakups, failures, or anything similar, then you will have to live a life that is filled with stress, unhappiness, difficulties, and a host of other bad things. Remember, my friends, that everything negative listed above is just in your mind. You envision each of them simply in thoughts. Making new habits, shifting your perspective, and altering your thought process are some of the best strategies to get rid of toxic emotions from your mind. How can we decompress, aid in our relaxation, and provide ourselves with uplifting thoughts? How to have happy lives despite having hectic schedules, stressful jobs, responsibilities, and duties, in addition to facing financial difficulties. You might be concerned that you haven't gone out with your loved one or family in months, even as you watch this video. Have you ever made an effort to enjoy your surroundings when commuting to work, college, or any other location? Even though you have seen the rain a lot, have you made an effort to appreciate its wonder, beauty, or serenity? Start with what you have, my friends. Start with the surroundings you have. Both your home and a 5-star hotel have the same sky. The same rain falls on you and the richest person in the world. Does enjoying the rain or the birds soaring in the sky depend on one's income, profession, or social class? Money never matters, but your mindset. As you make your way home from a demanding work schedule, why don't you try to unwind by enjoying the serenity? Lift your eyes to the heavens, pay attention how the clouds are moving and how the sky is colored. Yes, they are beautiful. Get up 10 to 15 minutes earlier than usual and head outside. The peacefulness of the early morning is yours to enjoy. Touch the dew. Experience the calmness. Spend as much time as you can in nature. Simply begin with the garden at home. Experience the garden's dewiness and freshness in the morning. Spend your free time constructively and avoid negative, poisonous thoughts and feelings. Make an effort to infuse your life with positivity. Take a walk with a loved one. Give an old friend a call. Watch a movie, read a book, or engage in any other stress-relieving activity. I tell my pals once more, first, make use of what you already have. Nothing has the power to change a person's life if they are unaware of the simplest things. Simple changes produce big and impactful results. These behaviors will gradually rid your anxious, pessimistic, and guilt-ridden mind. After that, you will feel confident and elegant in yourself. You will start to experience an improvement in self-esteem. Your outlook on life will shift for the better, enhancing both your personal and professional life. Use what you have to get started, whatever it may be, doesn't matter. Please share this video with friends and subscribe to my channel if you like it. In addition, my friends, please consider subscribing to my other channel, The Diamond Mind, which offers life improvement. In brief videos, we go into great deal about the facts. They can also serve as a morning inspiration. See you in the next video. Love you all, my friends.